All right, what's going on, folks? Mark Lux, DLUX Motorsports. Today I'm bringing you this 2014 Chevrolet 1500 Z71 Crew Cab four-wheel drive. Of course, it's your boy Mark, your favorite YouTuber right here at DLUX Motorsports. I'm going to give you guys some information on this one. You'll also see full information directly on my website at www.DLUX-motorsports.com. If you guys haven't already, in the bottom right-hand corner of this video, make sure you guys click that subscribe button. Also, click that bell to get notified when we post more videos just like this. Again, 2014 Chevrolet 1500 Z71. It is a local Virginia truck. Absolutely no rust issues on the undercarriage. The exterior is still in beautiful condition. It is currently running 20 by 12, so it is a little wide. You may have a few small rock chips here and there. Other than that, the actual body of the truck is in very, very good shape. You can see the undercarriage right there. No flaking, rust anywhere, or issues as far as rust is concerned. We don't really get that here in Virginia. Again, bumpers free of any dents in the back. The chrome is still in a very good shape. Of course, it does have the famous Z71 package. It's cloth interior with some good power options on the inside. We're gonna get this one fully detailed up so it's ready to go and ready for its new owner. As you can see, the driver's side is still in very, very good shape. It is currently running, like I said, 20 by 12 hostile wheels. Currently running 33-inch tires. Plenty of tread left. Easily a good year to 2 years left on these tires. You see all the Z71 badging. Hood's in very good shape. Like I said, I can't really pick out any major blemishes. Maybe a couple of small rock chips here and there. Like I said, that's about it. No rips or tears on the interior. Again, Z71 right there on the door sill. Seats are going to clean up super nice. Like I said, no rips or tears anywhere on the upholstery. Overall, top to bottom, this truck has 114,000 miles. It's still in very, very good shape for the year and miles. Most people don't realize it is a 2014. It is still 7 years old. But you can tell the owners took care of this one. Mechanically, very, very nice. I have some service records on hand from local Radley Chevrolet. This truck was serviced at the Chevrolet dealership multiple times. Again, driver's seat, just minimal wear, no rips or tears. Mechanically drives just like it should. Truck steers super tight, no vibration, 80 miles an hour on the highway. This thing floats down the road. Drives almost, I'd say almost tighter than a stock one does in my opinion. Anyway, 2014 Chevy Silverado, full crew cab, four-wheel drive, 5.3 Vortec motor, Z71 package. Located right here in Fredericksburg, Virginia. If you guys have any questions, give us a call direct, 540-898-1300. Again, if you guys haven't already, in the bottom right-hand corner of this video, click that subscribe button. Click that bell as well to turn on notifications to let you know when we post more lifted trucks just like this one. Again, any other questions, you can call us direct. You can also email us direct or visit our website for more information, more pictures, more videos. We also are on Facebook. Drop a like on Facebook. It is the best way to get notified when we get these trucks. Between Facebook and YouTube, we post these trucks there first, as some of these trucks sell very, very quickly. We are a dealership located right here in Central Virginia. We're known for lifted trucks. We specialize in that field. Anyway, give us a call direct today, 540-898-1300.